G2000 here again, doing another review video. Flashlight I just got today. It's gonna be backwards on here, but the Redline SE flashlight. Really nice flashlight. It has here, as you can see it, high beam. It's pretty glary. Sorry about that. Lower beam, lowest beam, SOS. And strobe. It does have adjustable viewing range. You can make it very small. You gotta be able to see this because of the glare. Very small. And then just by the simple twist of the end of it. Very wide. Small. Wide. It was a very nice flashlight. I paid $27.99 for it. Defensive flashlight, which for you people that don't know, if I was ever getting robbed and someone came at me, I would turn on. I would keep the strobe setting on. It's like this, and if you guys don't like flashing lights, this may cause a seizure, don't look at it. I would go like this. You guys can barely see me right now. That's what that guy would see. I've never had to use one of these on a person. And you guys are like, oh, he's only 12. I am 16. Yeah. It also has a belt clip. Clip right on your belt. I carry this flashlight with me. I mean, not a lot, because obviously I just got it today. I will carry this with me. It's a really nice flashlight. The button. Redline. It's like on the inside. Battery pack. I'll just show you that for you. That's the end that goes on the end of the flashlight. Battery pack. Inside of the flashlight. Put that back in there. Yeah, I do like these flashlights. I have 3 different Redlines. Take the end cap off for you. It's just the end cap. And then this is it without the end cap on. Put the thing in backwards. Oops. Yeah. The flashlight itself is very beefy, I guess, in your hand. Feels very good when you hold it. It's just kind of. Yeah, so make sure you check out my other videos. I try to post at least 3 videos a week. I do safe videos of all the stuff in my safe. I do individual reviews on knives, guns, all that good jazz. So, if you want to see more, just drop a comment. If you want to shout out on my channel, I'm pretty small right now, so I need the subscribes and the like buttons will help a lot. Thanks, and always, have a nice day.